Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pisces, unang mensahe po ninyo ay angel number 33. Ayan, so there is hope, optimism, liberation, success, prosperity, excitement, enthusiasm na maaring maramdaman ninyo or ma-receive ninyo sa ngayon. The problems you have today will eventually disappear. So, napakaganda kasi maaaring masusolusyonan nyo na, masusolusyonan nyo na ang mga problemang ito. So, definitely you will find the way out, no, sa problemang ito sa ngayon. Your guardian angels encourage you to maintain a positive outlook on life since your luck may be about to change. Kasi nga, 'di ba, kung positibo lang lagi ang iniisip natin, positive outlook, positive mindset ang meron tayo, makakaasa kayo talaga na mga positibong experiences, pangyayari, sitwasyon, tao, ang dadating, 'di ba? Kasi nga like attracts like. That's law of attraction. Kung anong klaseng energy ang pinut out ninyo in the universe, yun ang imamatch sa inyo ng universe. Kaya positive mindset, no? Talagang kung positibo tayo, positibo din na mga pangyayari ang dadating sa atin. Yun ang mamamagnetize natin. So it is time, to put to use your captivating energy and inspirational personality. So don't let your ego get the best of you. Okay? So what else? We have angel number 1551. Yan, manifestation. Napakaganda. You are going to manifest something, no? Kung ano man ang ina-envision ninyo for yourself, ano man ang wino-workout ninyo sa ngayon, maaaring yan ay mag-come to fruition na, no? You are on the high energetic frequency sa ngayon, no? At kayo ay maaaring mag-manifest ng kung ano man ang mga heart's desires ninyo. Abundance also coming your way, money coming your way, yung mga pangarap ninyo, yung mga vision ninyo, prosperity might come your way. Nandiyan yan sa inyong horizon. Focus on the good and maintain your concentration on the outcomes you desire kasi nga, 'di ba? Maaari talagang i-manifest na ninyo yan sa ngayon. So it's time to put your faith and time into your ideas and pursue your goals with all your might. You have such a beautiful, courageous, and brave spirit, so you deserve all the goodness, 'di ba, ng universe. We have angel number 1001. Merong spiritual awakening siguro na nangyayari sa karamihan sa inyo sa ngayon, Pisces. There are new beginnings talaga on your horizon. So, meron kayong mga iba't ibang sitwasyon siguro na magbabago, no? Personal development could be your focus as well sa ngayon. You are prioritizing your creativity and definitely you are heading in the right direction. Kasi nga siguro, nakikinig talaga kayo sa inyong intuition, nakikinig kayo sa guidance ng divine universe. A new phase in a religious or spiritual quest is about to happen as well. You're going through a spiritual awakening which can feel like the dark night of the soul. You're on the path to enlightenment, no? And this too shall pass. So, napakaganda kasi maraming kalinawan na, no, sa mga iniisip ninyo ngayon ang maaaring makuha nyo na, magkakaroon na ng mga sagot ang inyong mga tanong. We have angel number 1212. There is a shift, no, happening talaga. Merong new beginning. So definitely maraming pagbabago ang magaganap, no? There are new experiences coming your way. Talaga, mararamdaman na ninyo sa ngayon ang enthusiasm, ang gratitude, contentment because of a lot of blessings na parating. Sabi rito sa card, oh, happy day. An ample opportunity related to your life's purpose is just around the corner. So, you're being supported na ngayon. Pisces, pinapadalhan kayo ng iba't ibang klaseng support na kakailanganin ninyo para ma-carry out ninyo kung ano man ang inyong life purpose. So, take immediate action once it pops up, okay? And of course, a lovely partnership or an epic romance is also in the cards, lalong-lalo na kung kayo ay wala pang karelasyon, baka meron ng dumating, no, na love life sa inyo. Kung meron man kayong love life sa ngayon, there could be an epic romance, no, na maaring maganap dyan. Maaring you will be very passionate about each other as well, no. What else? We have King of Swords, enlightenment, 'di ba? Kanina ang nasabi natin, kaya maaari talaga na you are seeking for clarity about something with the King of Swords energy. At mahahanap ninyo ito. Mahahanap ninyo ito. Maybe you're going to consult someone, consult a professional. Maybe you're going to reach out to someone na alam ninyong makakatulong sa inyo, magkaroon kayo ng kalinawan sa inyong isipan. Okay? We have High Priestess, intuition. Okay? Allow your intuition to be your guide, Pisces. Kasi when you do that, no, for sure, you can expect, no, na mapupunta talaga kayo sa right direction, sa right track. Kasi yung intuition natin, that is the divine guidance, no? Diyan pumapasok yung guidance ng Panginoon sa atin, ng ating spirit team. Kaya pay attention to your intuition, okay? We have the world. There is travel for some of you Pisces. Maaring you're going to travel the world. Maaring meron ditong magtutour, meron ditong mag-aaral, magmamigrate, no, sa ibang bansa. At that could be related to expansion of your business, no? Possible din na ganon. This is also a time of ending and beginning. So, marami talagang maaring magbago sa buhay ninyo sa ngayon. You may be, engaging in new beginnings, no? Sa iba't ibang parte ng buhay ninyo. This is a time for accomplishments and achievements as well, Pisces. Kaya congratulations to that. At marami kayong rason para mag-celebrate, no? Celebrate your successes din dito. And also celebrate the new opportunities na paparating. Nine of Swords, no? So, maybe dito kayo nanggagaling. There is something na siguro wino-worry ninyo. There is something, siguro, sa dami siguro ng inaasikaso ninyo, siguro nagwo-worry kayo kung maa-accomplish nyo ba itong lahat, matatapos nyo ba itong lahat. Pero, huwag kayong mag-alala, no? Huwag kayong mag-alala, Pisces, kasi meron tayong world energy and that is a success card. So, ibig sabihin dito na kung ano man ang pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, maaring yan ay magtatapos na sa ngayon. Maaring yan kahit sabay-sabay yan, you will accomplish them. Kaya huwag kayong mag-alala. Just keep the positive mindset, positive outlook. Okay? Always remember that law of attraction is always at play. Kung negatibong iniisip ninyo, negatibo nararamdaman mo, yun din ang maa-attract ninyo towards you. And we don't like that. Diba? Gusto natin maganda lang, masaya, positibo lang ang mangyayari sa buhay natin. Kaya transmute natin yung worry, yung stress na nararamdaman natin. Let's lift all our concerns and worries, no, sa universe, no? Ialay natin yan sa kanya at bahala na siya, no? Natulungan tayo, okay, to make our life easier, okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.